We are going to pick up the concept related to the structure of an atom, like proton, electron, neutron, and of course, nucleus, and how all these terms work collectively in the form of an atom. Welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. And first of all, proton. Proton is one of the main particles that make up the atom. As you might have guessed from its name, the pro means positive. So proton has positive electrical charge on it. Number of proton in the nucleus define the chemical property of an element and referred to as the atomic number. Like hydrogen atom has one proton, so its atomic number will be 1. Helium has 2 protons, so its atomic number will be 2. Proton was discovered by E. Rutherford in 1920 and we can represent it by P plus like this. Here I have an interesting question for you, and that is why proton live together in the nucleus even if they all have same charge, and that is positive. The second main particle of an atom, which is electrical neutral, is called neutron. Neutrons are present in every atom except hydrogen atom. And we can explain the phenomena of isotope with the help of neutron. The most important function of the neutron and the answer of our previous question is the proton must feel repulsive force from other neighboring proton, but the nuclear force is strong enough to keep them together. In that situation, neutron act as a sticky material between proton to the proton and between neutron to the proton, in like sticky material like this. And the neutron was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932 and its symbol is this. Now about the most celebrated part of the atom, and that is nucleus. Nucleus itself is nothing but the collection of proton and the neutron. If we define nucleus with a formal definition, then it would be like this. The dense region at the center of an atom consists of proton and the neutron is called nucleus. Nucleus made 99.9% mass of an atom. And due to the nucleus, proton and neutron are also called nucleons. Last but not least, and that is electron. The lightest subatomic particle carries negative charge on it, is called electron. Electrons are extremely small compared to all other parts of the atom. Under normal condition, electron, the negative electron, attracted to the positive proton by electromagnetic force, and that attraction keep electron in the area surrounding the nucleus, and definitely that area is called shell. If we define shell, then it will be like this: the area around the nucleus or the path followed by the electron around the nucleus is called shell. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897 and its symbol is this. How all these terms work collectively in the form of an atom.